second coffee today. What's up, everyone? This is She Found It, and today we're going to be going over aloe vera and how you can use it in your hair and on your skin and all the benefits, because I am obsessed with aloe vera. I discovered it really kind of maybe about a year and a half ago, and I've really been diving into the aloe vera, using it all the time, and it's literally changed my hair and it's changed my skin. I want to share these things with you. If you're not using it, you definitely should, so stay tuned and listen in, because you're going to find out some real good-ish today. So first of all, I want to say hello, welcome, hi again. I hope you're having an amazing day. I definitely am. I had a wicked workout this morning. Also, like, how are you feeling about this look? I was channeling my inner Alicia Keys today. I felt like doing the headband and the hoop earrings and a little like a vintage baggy shirt here. I really want to stress, I am obsessed with aloe vera. Like, it's crazy. I have massive jugs of aloe vera in my house right now because I use it that often. So I'm going to go over a few things that I'm going to talk about in regards to aloe vera and what it's done and why it's so amazing. Like, everybody should be using it. 3 different types of aloe vera that I use. Yes, I know that sounds strange because it's one single plant, but I have 3 different ways to use it. So I use aloe vera juice, I use aloe vera gel, and then I use aloe vera like the natural, which is the 3rd way, the actual plant. We have 2 really massive aloe vera plants in our house right now. Usually when I use the aloe vera on my face, I use the actual inner fillet of that leaf, because I feel like it's the cleanest, it's the most natural. It has a very funky smell though.
Oh, gross!
I'll admit, like, the smell of aloe vera from the plant, to me, I hate it. When it's on my skin, I hate it. But what it's done for my skin is amazing, and I even got my fiance on using aloe vera on his skin, and he loves it. He puts it on like every single night. For me, a couple years ago, I was really struggling with my skin. I was breaking out like crazy. It looked like little milia, I think that's what they call it, all over my face. I didn't know what was going on. And I began integrating aloe vera into my skin routine, and it really died down. The tone of my skin, like, was so much better. It was definitely more consistent. My scars began to fade. I've had issues with scarring, like definitely along my cheeks. When I would apply the aloe vera, I usually would put it on at night and then I'd rinse it off in the morning. I don't know if you're supposed to leave it on that long, but that's just what I was doing, and that's how I incorporated it into my skincare routine. It really helped me through a really tough time with my skin, especially even now if I ever get a pimple. I know you're not supposed to squeeze them. It's the worst thing, but I always do, of course, as most of us usually do, but I always put a little bit of aloe vera on it, and honestly, the next day, it's looking good. Like, there's not really a scar there. It's definitely healed so much faster, and the healing properties in aloe vera are amazing. Definitely incorporate aloe vera into your skincare routine, especially if you have problematic skin like I do. Now, to get into the deep-seated love that I have for aloe vera on my hair. I love using it in my hair. What I do is I use the aloe vera juice and I mix it with distilled water, and I use it as a refresh spray. And I find that my hair is just much softer, and it's a lot nicer when I do that, especially on like a day 2 or day 3 of having my hair out. The aloe vera gel itself is incredible. So I buy bottles of Lily from the Desert. What I do is I put the aloe vera gel into a squeeze bottle, and when I go in the shower, or before I go into the shower, it depends, I will apply it onto my scalp, and I'll really like kind of rub it in, and I'll apply the aloe vera throughout my hair, and I'll begin to like finger comb and detangle my hair with the aloe vera in it, and it really, really, really helps. It doesn't have a lot of slip, but I do find it much softer on my curls when I'm trying to finger detangle my curls. Usually what I do is I'll put it through all of my hair. I'll let my hair sit for like a minute or two, and then this is where the magic happens. I'll apply my conditioner over top. When I rinse my hair out, I'm telling you, it is so, so soft. The first time I did this, I have a hair journal that I write in. I remember writing in my book, actually, aloe vera leaves scalp feeling fresh and clean. Hair feels more moisturized. Curls feel softer. And hair is bouncier and more manageable. Girl, I don't know if that sounds good to you, but it sounded damn good to me. I haven't stopped using it ever since. I always use it as like a pre-poo. I find that oils are too heavy for my hair as a pre-poo. My strands are very, very thin. I just have a lot of hair. When I decided that I was going to try aloe vera, I literally haven't looked back. Hold on. Coffee. What do they say? Like, but first, coffee. Quick commercial break there. So the other thing that I love about aloe vera gel is that you can add it to stylers. So I've been making my own leave-in conditioner out of slippery elm and marshmallow root, and I've been adding a little bit of aloe vera gel in that as well, and I just find that it just gives it a little bit something extra, because I don't want to add water to it, but I still want it to have a bit of like wetness when I'm applying it into my hair. The other really, really great benefit to using aloe vera gel is that if you have an itchy scalp at all, for me, like, girl, when the seasons are changing, my hair goes through it, especially into the winter time. My scalp just goes like absolutely berserk, and I find that when I use aloe vera on my scalp, like, I have no itch, it's not dry, I don't have dandruff. It's literally it's a miracle. It's a miracle plant. I'm obsessed. The aloe vera gel is super, super important for me in my hair care routine. I think the best possible thing to do is to put it into a bottle and use it, squeeze it onto your scalp, and then apply it through your hair. I have tried like a dozen times to just peel the gel from the leaf itself and like blend it and mush it up and do all these things, and then there's chunks in my hair, and like it's just not a good time. And I've watched a lot of curly girls on YouTube do that process, and for me, like, that process just takes way too long. Like, I need it. And the other thing too is, for how often I use aloe vera, I don't have enough plants. And how much I need in my hair, I do not have enough plants. I only really use the actual plant for my face because I can just cut little tiny pieces of the leaf and I can use that whenever I need it. The good thing about Lily from the Desert is there is a preservative in it, but that's the only other ingredient, and it's very small. So I feel comfortable using that. I've really tried to go the natural route the last couple years, and my hair has seen so much more progress. It just feels better. It's growing faster. I will do another video of the products that I do use in my hair. For now, aloe vera gel is a pretty heavy component in my regimen. I co-wash every like 2 to 3 days. I shampoo once a month. How? Unless I really feel like my hair's feeling kind of heavy, I might shampoo a second time, or if I ever use like any type of gel. I'm telling you, I don't use gel very often. It's once in a blue moon, but it does make my scalp feel a little itchy, so I always shampoo after that because I just don't want that gunk on my scalp. I hope you learned something today. I hope that you're gonna go out and buy some aloe vera gel and start using that in your hair, and I hope that it helps and it changes your hair for the good. That is it for my aloe vera. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. I want everyone to use it. If you have any questions about anything else in my hair care routine, please leave a comment below. Like, subscribe. Let's do this hair care journey together. Let's do this life journey together. I'm telling you, I am so pumped to be doing this on YouTube right now. It is so much fun, and I'm really, really excited that you are going to come along with me on this ride. I just want to help every other girl out there who may be struggling with their hair to get some help. And like, I definitely utilize YouTube a lot on my curly hair process, and I still do. It's a never-ending process. I'll be up here again giving you some tips about some stuff for your hair, for your life, for your closet, all the things. So, see ya. No. I don't even know, but how's this lipstick? Actually, I really like it.